Hello, this is the presentation video for evaluating the website Bottles of Australia from the Group 38. The goal of this project is evaluating the usability of a website called Bottles of Australia in the aspect of effective, efficient, utilities, learnable, memorable, and safe. The used evaluating tools are Loop 11 and TreeJack. For both of the tools, they are online evaluating tools which participants could finish the test through the internet. The interface will give a few tasks for users and record the process of finishing the tasks. The evaluation involves 4 different parts. Signed consent form is used for participants to understand the project. Pre-test questionnaire is used for collecting the user information to analyze the website. As for Loop 11 test, each participant followed the instructions that its project provided and completed the given tasks. During this process, screen and voice are recorded. As for the TreeJack test, the participants should pick the right button to find out the related information that were given from the instructions. Next parts, I will introduce 4 different parts of key findings. They are interface, content, architectures, and functional. For the interface problem of the website, the visual performance of the interface is good and does not make users feel uncomfortable to browse. However, there are many problems with the interface of the site, such as the lack of count and the search bar on the home page, the confusing classification of the leads, the interface problem with the Flash and the map interface, and the useless social media icons that appear in the upper right corner of the home page. Generally, the content presented in the website is clear, since the test result indicates that most participants are able to find the correct answers in some way at the end. However, some design of the website may occur user confusion about understanding the possible content. For instance, the distributor section showing the home page means physical shops as a matter of fact, but users may regard the term as supplier until the small text showing the following line writing where to buy is noticed. The overall architecture of the website is clear, which allows certain degree of system state visibility, but a better information architecture is expected by many of the participants. The following 3 perspectives indicate that the current information architecture of the website is disappointing. For example, most of the participants went to the bottom page for the first click when they are asked to find the nominated design bottom. They then realized that they were unable to put product into the shopping cart because there's no any relative link for this function. So they left the page and then turned to the shop page when they can actually finish the task. As for the functional of the website, the first is the search bar in distributor page not working as expected, and the Flash Player plugin is not user-friendly in the customer page. And the PDF for the previewing of the customized button of the users does not work well. As for the recommendation for the website, first, it is important to enable the search bar function in both the shop page and the distributor page, and position them in an obvious place, which can make users efficient to find information they required. Secondly, it is highly recommended to give the mouse-over description for the product characteristics and icon. Otherwise, those contents or icons will be confused for the users when they are selecting the products, and they might click on the wrong icons. The last recommendation is that giving the users instruction on how to customize the buttons, make all text fonts work as well as to add more color and text font for customization to meet the user's varied requirement, and enable the PDF function to make it show the detail of the customized product to the users. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.